Hello. Today, let's talk about two devices. One Titan from 2019 and one brand new device. The Apple iPhone 17 Pro, of course. This is the most nicest smartphone I think it's on the market so far today. And the good old Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. It released 2019. This is 5 years old technology evolution, side by side, right now. On one side, the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus is from 2019 a titan of its time. On the other, the brand new Apple iPhone 17 Pro. This is the cutting edge of today. And does this comparison make even sense? Absolutely. It shows the longevity, retained value, and the pace of the progress truly mean. Stay tuned, baby. Let's start with the exterior. The S10 Plus from 2019 comes with Gorilla Glass 6, aluminum frame, IP68 rating, and there is a 3.5mm headphone jack. This is a relic from the better days. Oh, the better days are so far away, huh? The iPhone 17 Pro is the monolith. Finally, they get an USB-C. Yeah, that thing is learned from the Samsung Cam. The design is boxy titanium and it feels heavier and more substantial in a direct comparison, of course. But of course, what's immediately noticeable? The S10 Plus is a slim 7.8mm and extremely light with 175 grams. The 17 Pro thicker and heavier. The trend is toward power and ruggedness, so it's not thinnest. The thinnest thing was, or is, the iPhone Air, of course. It was a really nice device from 2025. And go to the display. The S10 Plus was a masterpiece. 6.4 inches dynamic AMOLED, WQHD+. Even today, it's still sharp. But the killer is the refresh rate, just 60 Hz. The 70 Pro, 120 Hz Pro Motion OLED is night and day. Scrolling animation, gaming, everything runs twice as smoothly. Technologically, there are worlds between them. The 17 Pro's extreme brightness also makes the X10 look dimmed in the direct sunlight. If you switch from a 17 Pro back to the S10 Plus, it feels like scrolling through molasses. Really, 120 Hz is the single biggest quality of life improvement of the last 5 years. Inside the S10 Plus, there is an Exynos 9820 or a Snapdragon 855, a rocket for 2019. Everyday apps, no problem so far. The A90 Pro chip is of course a Pro, while it's a several generation ahead. We're talking about the performance jumping over 400% in a single core power. For gaming, 4K editing, complex AI tasks, the S10 will hit the limits first. The 17 Pro, no problem, yeah. The camera systems, the S10 Pro was an iconic triple system with a variable aperture. In daylight, it will still takes very decent photos with 2 times optical zoom. The iPhone 17 Pro is playing a different game. 48 megapixel fusion lens across the board. Extreme low light performance, and most importantly, 4K, not 4K, 4K of course, yes. 4 times and 16 times of optical zoom. Blah. The best camera system on the market. Then the S10 images are good, but the night mode of the 7 Pro will pull the details out of the darkness. Let's go to, this is now the brutal part of it. The S10 Plus started at the past time, yeah, with €1,000. Used, it worth about 150. 150 bucks. Massive depreciation. The S10 Plus is at the end of its software support. It's becoming a security risk. The 70 Pro is receiving 6+ years of updates and holds its value significantly better, of course. The Galaxy S10 was a fantastic phone, but the Android update policy and the sheer pace of the chip innovations quickly eroded its value. So you can use it, but it's not running on the future. So, buy the iPhone 17 Pro knowing it will hold the value and remain a secure, fast device for at least more than 6 years. That is the difference with the 5 years max. Which phone was, of course, or is the more exciting to you? The innovative S10 Plus area or the highly refined 70 Pro area? Let me know that in the comments. And please subscribe me. Give a positive feedback and hope. See you on my channel. Soon.